You walk into a store in Serbia. Usually you won't hear some long, very polite phrases, such as Dobar dan, kako mogu da vam pomognem? Good afternoon, how can I help you? No, usually we keep it simple and you hear just one word, izvolite. And then you get confused whether you should talk or wait in the line or pay or leave. Well, let's fix that. This is Serbian in 5 minutes. Short, simple lessons where you learn real Serbian, the language people use in everyday life, shaped by culture and real moments. One of the phrases that you might need, especially in bigger stores, is izvinite, gde stoji? Excuse me, where does it stand? Stoji, or in fact, where is it? For example, izvinite, gde stoji mleko? Or izvinite, gde stoji vino? Or in my case, izvinite, gde stoji čokolada? Polite, simple, very useful. Now, since we mentioned izvinite, we should really mention izvolite, since these two words our students mix up maybe the most. Of course, the reason is simple. They're very similar, they sound similar, they are written similar, so it's totally fine if you mix them. But pay attention, izvinite means excuse me. We like to joke a bit and we tend to say that izvinite is also a universal name for a waiter or a waitress. In fact, that's the word that you use when you want to call waiter or waitress if you need them. So you say izvinite. Izvolite, on the other hand, has many meanings. It can mean here you are. It can mean go ahead. It can mean tell me, or how can I help you? It depends from the context. You'll hear it when you enter the store. You'll hear it when you're next in the line. You'll hear it when the cashier hands you something, in many situations. But you can use it too. For example, if you're handing money to the cashier, you can say izvolite. And by the way, cashier is kasir in masculine form or kasirka in feminine form. To ask about the price, we use two phrases. You can say koliko košta, or you can say kolika or koja je cena. The first one is more common. Koliko košta? In Serbian stores, lines tend to get long and very chaotic. So you might hear ko je na redu or ko je sledeći. Ko je na redu is whose turn is it, and ko je sledeći is who is next. You can answer with ja sam, I am, or you can say ja sam na redu or ja sam sledeći. But remember this one, it's going to be very useful. I can bet on it. At the checkout, cashier might ask you još nešto, meaning anything else or something more, and you can say ne hvala, no thank you, or you can name what else you need. Another classic question is jel treba kesa? Jel treba kesa? Jel is shorter from dali, the question form we use, but you will usually hear just jel very quickly. Jel treba kesa? Do you need a plastic bag? You can say treba, I need, or you can say ne treba. No need to say the full sentence, just treba, ne treba. Then you'll hear the following phrase, kako plaćate? And that means, how do you pay? In which way do you pay? You can say cash, or you can say kartica. You might even get that question, cash ili kartica, cash or card. Cash is the most common way to say cash, but you can also use the word gotovina. It means the same thing, just a synonym. Aplikacije. Many stores now have loyalty apps, so you might get this question. Jel imate aplikaciju? Jel, again, meaning da li, do you? Jel imate aplikaciju? And you can say imam or you can say nemam. Now, if you choose to pay in cash or gotovina, remember that one, there is one problem that might come up. Sometimes you just don't have any small change, any small money, as we say. In that situation, you would say izvinite, not izvolite, but izvinite, nemam ništa sitno. So, sorry, I have nothing small, no small change. Izvinite, nemam ništa sitno. Sometimes the cashier says, izvinite, nemam da vam vratim kusur. Or, izvinite, nemam kusur. Sorry, I don't have any change to give you back. If it is a small amount of money, and to be honest, it usually is, you can just say, u redu je. It's all right. Serbian stores might seem too much at the very beginning. A bit too chaotic, a bit too fast, a bit too direct. But I'm sure that once you know these phrases, it will get much easier. Just keep practicing. Vežbajte. Hvala puno I vidimo se uskoro. Thank you so much and see you soon.